Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do something a little different today. I've not done a tool haul video yet, so this is my first one. We're going to do a yard sale tool haul video. So, to quote one of our friends, I say we get right to it. I bought the tripod and the small box on the left for $10. The bigger rusty box was $7.50, and each of these items here were $1 a piece. So let's see what we got here. Let's look at these items first. We have a nice Mac Tools 5/8 inch combination wrench, which will clean up very nicely, I believe. Thorson 3/4 inch combination wrench. A little bit of surface rust. I think that'll come off. Here's a Plum 9/16 and 1/2 inch open end wrench. And a very nice pair of Williams slip joint pliers. Look at this. This is really nice. Now let's have a look at this little beauty here. It's a real peach, isn't it? I think I can clean that up and fix up this toolbox. It might make a good project. Let's see what's in it. Well, here's a nice piece of galvanized metal. Just what we need. Look here. A Zebco 733. Nice. I caught my first fish with a Zebco 33. Nice 2-pound bass out of a farm pond. I bet that'll clean up nicely. And a bunch of stuff. Rusty stuff. I'm going to clean this stuff up with the wire wheel and vapor rust, and we'll take a better look at it at that point. See what we got. Be right back. Okay guys, we're back after an overnight soak in the vapor rust, and let's see what we got here. I'm not going to go through these individually because there's really not anything particularly of note here. I cleaned everything up with well, after the evaporust soak, I cleaned them up as best I could with degreaser and the wire wheel. So this is just a bunch of no-name screwdrivers here. This one here is a Phillips Craftsman. It's on there somewhere. The Allen wrenches, I'll just toss them in my box full of Allen wrenches. This has no maker's mark whatsoever on it. This pair of pliers. It's got some welding splatter on it here. So it says made in Taiwan. So nothing special there. These are kind of interesting. This is it's marked Ford. I don't know what you call these things. Somebody tell me what these are used for. I think maybe they might have been used for somehow on early Fords. but I don't know. Somebody please leave a comment, let me know. Here's that nice pair of Williams pliers. It says USA number 8, I think it says. I didn't soak those or anything. They were in fine shape as they were. Here's the Mac tools we looked at earlier. The Thorson 3/4 inch Thorson. It says 2024. I think that's probably a model number or something. Proto 9/16 combination. This is, it's a VL check, 7/8, and this says what? W 1820, 5/8 and 9/16. Drop forged steel Taiwan. Drop forged India. 1/2 combination. Kmart. I've got a set of Kmart wrenches that I bought about 45 years ago. They were much better quality than this. I've been using them for years. Indestro 1/2 and 9/16. Made in USA, 1/2 9/16. Nothing other than that. Forged select steel. Here's a plum 9/16 and 1/2. MFD 3026 USA. Like that. Samson 3/8 combination. Haven't heard of that one before. There's a plum 3/8 combination. 12/12 it says. No markings of any kind on this one. Looks like a little ignition wrench or something. This 3, what does it say? 3/8 quality steel. Oh yeah, I bet. I noticed that this wrench fits just exactly, well, almost exactly on the Zebco. I wonder if maybe it came with the Zebco. This intrigues me because I caught my first fish with a Zebco reel. Yep, I'll never forget that 4-pound bass I caught. My first fish. Okay, a couple of files that need a really good soak in vinegar for a while. This is a Nicholson. Might clean up a little bit if it was soaked some more. This is interesting, I think. It's a plum. I'm not sure exactly how this would be used. Would this be a carpenter's hatchet or used for roofing or something? Somebody tell me. what this particular hatchet would be used for. Here's a tap handle that says Japan on it. Cleaned up fairly nicely. I might use it. Rusty little pen knife that I was able to get open. No markings on it particularly. There's some kind of a maker's mark, but I can't figure out what it is. This pocket knife is not bad. It says, oh gosh, I can't read it. I'll have to. It says made in USA. I think it says like something clean cut or something like that. I can't read it right now. Anyway, it does say made in USA. I might clean that up and keep it. Kind of a neat little plane here, which I'll probably put in my collection of planes after I clean it up a little bit. What else? Hole saw, made in USA. Max Rippums, 2500, and a couple of punches. I noticed this. Isn't that cool? I might just keep this around here just so I can do this every now and then. Okay, here is I think it's a plum, I believe. Plum. One half inch. This has, somebody has ground this thing off. No markings whatsoever left. I don't know why anyone would feel the need to do this to a poor defenseless little socket who never hurt anybody, but anyway, there it is. And I think that's it, guys. The box, the toolbox, we looked at it earlier. No markings on it or anything. I think I might try to clean it up, make a project out of that. So, that's it, with the exception of this. We'll open, let me clean the bench off and we'll open that up. See what's in there. Forgot to mention there was a bunch of nuts and bolts and assorted hardware and stuff like that. Some of it I kept, some of it I put in the trash. I'm not going to bother to show that, and I didn't bother to show any of the cleanup process because you guys have seen that hundreds of times. No point in going over that. Last but not least, this is a Sunbeam Drill Master electric drill. Let's see if I can get it out of here. I haven't really looked at this yet. I did test it. Let's see if we can get it out. Quarter-inch drill, model 70, 1 amp, Sunbeam Corp, Chicago, Illinois. stuff in here. Hole saw. This looks like some kind of buffing compound. Paint mixer, paint stirrer. Some bits. Oh, here's a looks like a cover for the well, no, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's like an electrical box, I guess. I don't know what that's for. Some kind of pad. More bits. Couple of spade bits, 3 of them. An adapter. Looks like some kind of a deal to. I bet it works like that on a wire wheel or something. A grinding wheel, buffing wheels, and the box. The box is kind of sprung a little bit. I think I can fix that. I'm not sure what to do about the box. I might wind up repainting it. I'm just not sure yet. So anyway, this was like $5. So I think I'll have $5 worth of fun cleaning that up. And also, I think the little fishing reel is going to be fun clean up. Especially since I caught my first 6-pound bass, which was my first fish, that 6-pounder was. That's it for this one, guys. Hope you stuck with me through the video. Some of these items I'm sure will be coming up on some upcoming restoration videos. So until then, hope you will comment and like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.